Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to add tab groups in Google Chrome browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To add tab groups in Google Chrome, go to your Google Chrome browser and open your favorite website, and then you can add a tab group. Just right click on the tab, then you will find an option add tab to new group. Click on add tab to new group. First of all, I am going to type the group name. I am giving the group name YT, and you can select a color for your group. I am selecting red. Now save group. By default is turned off. Just click here to turn on save group. Now the group is saved. Look, this is the group YT. Now you can add another tab to this group. If you want, you can add a new tab to your tab group. Just open a new tab and open your favorite website. Right click on the new tab and add tab to group. Here you can create new group, and you can also add this tab to your existing group YT. Click on YT and look, now in my group two tab is available. One is YouTube and another one is Facebook. Now I am going to close browser. I am going to open browser again. Look, here you will find on the upper left corner your tab group. Just click on your tab group. Look, all your favorite websites in the tab group will be opened here automatically. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.